head, relax it.
Wow.
Very good. Drop it. Good. Start with your arms out by your side for me. Very good. So I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid back first, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. And one more time, please. All the way out. Very good. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Release. How'd that feel?
Feels good, actually.
A nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice. Good release on that. Wow. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Go ahead and point the toes down for me, please. Drop the head, relax it.
Wow.
Very good. How did that feel?
Feels really good, actually. Never felt that before.
That was really loud. Did you get a good release on it?
Yeah, I did.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, just relax it for me. Big release there. Same thing on the knee, just relax the knee for me. Good. Just relax it for me. All the way down towards me. Now go ahead and just drop that shoulder, please. And just give me full relaxation here. Just drop the head to the left for me. Drop it.
Wow.
Wow. Big release there. How'd that feel?
Wow.
Pretty good, huh?
Felt good though.
Awesome. All the way towards me. Just relax that shoulder there. Just relax it, drop it towards the right, drop it. Whew. Wow.
Felt good
Get
though.
a lot of tension release out of that?
Feels really good.
Man,
Wow. That was very loud.
awesome, awesome.